In this video, we are going to talk about how we can create a mega menu in our WordPress website by using the Gutenberg page builder. So in order to build our mega menu, we are going to use the mega menu block from the Plus Addons for Gutenberg. Now using this mega menu plus blocks, we can create horizontal as well as vertical mega menu. And we have already covered in our previous video about the horizontal one. So you can go ahead and watch that video. We will link that in the I button above or video description below. And in this video, we are going to cover about the vertical mega menu. So by using this block from the Plus Addons for Gutenberg, we will be able to create vertical menus like this one. Here you can showcase various categories as well as some feature image and the various brand logos right inside your mega menu. And you can go ahead and create various structures by just using the Gutenberg page builder and then use them as a sub menu or a mega menu in your vertical menus. So if that sounds interesting and you also want to create some amazing looking mega menus for your WordPress website, then hop in and I'll show you everything step by step. My name is Ankit Sharma from the team Pose Myth. And if you want to deep dive in the world of Gutenberg and learn how you can do some amazing stuff by using the Plus Addons for Gutenberg, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified about our 2 videos that we publish every week. With that said, let's hop in our WordPress backend and build some mega menus. Now these mega menus are very popular and you must have seen these kind of mega menus on various brand websites, and most of these brands use this mega menu so that they can showcase as much as option possible right in the navigation itself. And you can also use these mega menus in your e-commerce website as well, like this one. Here they have various categories and they also have a feature image here. So let's dive in our WordPress backend and see how we can create one for us. So here we are in our WordPress backend, and if we go in the plugins section, here we have the Plus Addons for Block Editor Free as well as the Pro version. And once you install both of these plugins, we will get a new option here, that is Plus Settings. And if we click on this and then go to Plus Blocks, and here if we search for navigation, and this is the navigation menu block that we will be using to create our vertical mega menu. And as you can see, it's part of the Pro plan of the Plus Addons for Gutenberg. So make sure you install and activate the Pro version of this plugin. And then we will turn on this block and then click on Save. And as we are going to use the Gutenberg page builder, in order to create our custom header, we are using the Nexter WordPress theme. And along with this theme, we are using Nexter extension free as well as the Pro version. And with that, we get a new option, that is Header Builder, which helps us create various templates like header, footer, and various other sections for our WordPress website. So in order to build our custom header, we need to go to Nexter Builder, and here we will see all the templates that we have created for this WordPress setup. And here we have already created a custom header, but we are not going to use this. We are going to create a new custom header so that I can show you everything right from the beginning. And if we look at the front end of our website, right now this is the default header. Here we have the website title as well as the tagline as our logo here. And on the right hand side, we have the normal WordPress navigation. So this is the navigation menu that we have here. But we are not going to use this. We are going to create our custom mega menu. So now let's go to this Nexter Builder and then click on Add New in order to create a new custom header. So maybe we can name it Mega V Header just to give it a unique name. And after that, at the bottom of this page, we have options like section. And with that, we will select header option. So we are going to use the normal header, and in the display rules, we will choose entire website so that we can show this custom header on all the pages. And after that, just close this box. And now we have this complete editor area where we can drop all the Gutenberg blocks and build our custom header. So let's say we start with a row column. So we will use TP row, that is the plus row block, and we will divide that into 2 columns. And let's shrink this column here. And on the left hand side, let's add our logo. So for this, we are going to use our TP site logo block and then upload an image. So this is the image that we can use as a logo. And on the right hand side, we have few settings option available. So let's choose the image size as full. And from here, we can change the image width. And on the right hand side, we will add navigation. So this is the TP navigation menu block. So let's click on this. And now on the right hand side, we get an option to select the menu type. So we can select WordPress menu. And after that, we get an option for menu layout, either if you want a horizontal, vertical or vertical toggle. So let's say we select vertical, and under that we have an option for select menu. So here is our top menu that we have created from the WordPress backend. So if we choose this, so this is our normal WordPress menu that we have created in the backend. So if we open the list view, and from here we can drop this navigation below our logo. So if we go ahead and publish this custom header right now and refresh it in the front end, this is how our custom header looks like. We have the logo and our navigation menu here. So this is how we can use this navigation menu block and use our native WordPress menu either in vertical or horizontal form. But in order to create a mega menu, first we need to choose manual menu, and then we need to select the layout as vertical toggle. And now we see the first option as navigation menu. So we will talk about this title in a minute. But after selecting our menu layout as vertical toggle, we see we have the navigation menu here. And with this, we can start adding elements for our vertical navigation. So let's say we click on this one. And right now it's at level 0, which means it is the parent menu link. So if we go ahead and give it a text, after that we have sub menu width in pixel. So if we are going to add a sub menu under this home, so we can define the width of that sub menu container from here. After that we have label option. So we can go ahead and add a label. So if in case you want to showcase some hot products or some deal, you can add that as a label with the navigation link. So we are going to use this label, but not on this home link. So let's go ahead and close this from here. And after that we have menu icon type. So we can add an icon or some custom image, but let's go with icon first. And this is how the icon will show before the menu link. So we can edit the icon from this list. So right now home icon looks perfect. And after that we have normal, hover and active styling option. So we can go ahead and do styling for this icon from here. So you can play around with the color, background and border. So for now we will leave it as black. And at the end we get an option for custom class. So if you want to play around with some custom CSS, you can use this custom class. Once that is done, let's go ahead and duplicate this. And now let's go ahead and rename them. So for second one, let's choose about us as a text. We will change the icon. So maybe something like this. And same for the third one. Maybe we can type in portfolio. And for the icon, maybe we can choose this one. And let's add one more. Maybe we can call it our products. And for the icon, maybe we can choose this. And let's duplicate this one more time. And this time we will type in contact us. And for the icon, maybe we can choose this icon here. Below this, we have an option for sub menu open. So how we want to open the sub menu when we mouse over on any of these links, we can choose on hover or on click. So mostly it is used on hover, so we will leave it as it is. And below that we have an option for transition animation. So again, you can choose any of these animation style. So let's keep it as it is. And after that we have an alignment option, so you can play around with the alignment from here. So I guess left one looks the best. Below that we have an option for toggle bar, and this is the toggle bar right here. If you turn it off, it will be gone. We will only see the menu here. But if you want to show this on top, you can turn this on. And after that we have an option for toggle open. So how you want to open this toggle menu. So we can keep it on normal, hover or click. So let's keep this on hover, and then we will give it a name, maybe just a menu. And if you want to give any URL to this toggle link, you can do that from here. And just like our menu links here, we can add some icon here as well. So maybe we can choose this icon. And also we have a toggle icon. If you want to add that, maybe we can use this icon here. And after that we have an option for mobile menu. So as we are creating a mega menu, so it's obvious that it won't look good on our mobile devices. So we can use this responsive mobile menu to create a dedicated menu for our mobile devices. And here we can create a completely different style of navigation targeting our mobile devices. Or we can go ahead and use our dedicated mobile block, which can help you build some amazing looking advanced navigation menu for your mobile devices. And using this mobile menu block, we will be able to create some advanced looking navigations like this, which will be only for our mobile users. So we are going to cover this mobile navigation block as well as this mobile menu option in a separate video. So right now let's get back to our vertical menu. So let's turn this off for now. And once we have added all these menu items here, we can add our sub menu, which we can use as a mega menu. So let's go ahead and add a sub menu under this about us. So for that, let's go ahead and duplicate this. And now you see we have two about us. So let's click on this second one. And here, instead of about us, let's call it about us sub. And instead of 0 level, we will choose 1 level. Now you see that the new about us is gone from here. And once again, we can define if we want to add a sub menu under this again. So we can again define the width of the future sub menu from here. So right now, if we just update this and refresh our front end, so this is our vertical toggle menu. If we do a mouse over here, we can see the menu showing here. And if we mouse over on about us, we can see a new about us sub menu. But still, this is just a text link. Let's go ahead and convert this link into a mega menu. So now we have these level 0 links, which are acting as our parent navigation links. So our level 1 link will be our sub menu, and our level 0 link will be our parent navigation links. So all the level 1 links will always fall under a level 0 link and act as a sub menu. So we come back again to this level 1, and here we have an option for sub menu type. Right now it's showing link, but instead of that, we can choose mega menu. So now we have few more new options added here. And the first one is block template. And if we click here, and from here we can choose various reusable blocks that we have already created from our WordPress backend. And we can use that reusable block as a mega menu or a sub menu for our parent menu item. So let's go back in our WordPress backend and create a reusable block that we can add here. So here in our WordPress dashboard, we go down to the plus settings, and here we have the reusable blocks link. Here we will find the list of all the reusable blocks that we have in this WordPress setup. So let's say we add a new one, and let's name it vertical about us. And here we can use any reusable block and structure to create a complete design and use this reusable block as a mega menu. But if you are not sure what to design and how to start, you can go ahead and visit our website, and let's say you like this design here and you want to use this in your mega menu. So you can go ahead and copy this design from here. So if we click copy, and then come back here in our reusable block editor, And here you will find this plus paste option. If we click here, it's going to take a few seconds and it will paste the entire content here on your WordPress website. So now we can go ahead and add a little bit of background color here. So if we go in style, in the background, we can add a background color, maybe something like this, and then update this reusable block. And now let's refresh this custom header so that we can load our newly created reusable block. So let's refresh this page. And if we come back here in our navigation menu and then go to About Us, here under Block Template, we will select Vertical About Us. And right now we will leave the Mega menu type as default just to see how it looks in the front end. So let's update this here and then refresh the front end. So if we go back in our vertical menu and then go to About Us, this is loading our reusable block here, but it's not looking as we wanted. So let's come back in our editor. Instead of Mega menu type default, we will use container. Let's update this again and then refresh the front end. Now if we come back in About Us again, so now you see that this time it's looking much better. Along with that, we can also choose full width. Let's update it again and see how it looks in the front end. So this time, this is how the About Us look, but once again, it might not look very good because right now we are using a vertical navigation which is blocking the full width view. So the best option to choose in this case is container, like this, because whenever we use container, it's going to occupy the complete space of our website structure. After that, we have an option for mobile mega menu link. So again, we know that these mega menus are not going to look good in our mobile devices. So we can give a custom link which will be visible on mobile devices. And once you turn this on, you can give a dynamic link of any of your website page. So maybe we can choose any page from here. So like this is our sample page. If we click here, this will be added as a mobile menu link. But instead of using this option, we can easily use this mobile menu right here. Or as we mentioned before, we can use our dedicated mobile block. But we will talk about these mobile menu in detail in a separate video. Right now, let's go ahead and turn this off. And below that, we have an option for sub menu. Again, it is only useful if you are not using mega menus. So this is our first mega menu that we have just created by copying the complete design from the Plus Blocks website. So if in case you are feeling stuck and you're not sure how you should design your mega menus, then you can always come on to our website, theplusblocks.com, and here you can copy any design from here using this copy button and import that in your reusable block and then use that reusable block as your mega menu. Let's go ahead and add few more mega menus and see what else we can design. So this time, let's go ahead and add some WooCommerce products. So for this, we are going to use this parent link, our products, and let's duplicate this. And for this second one, we are going to change the menu level as 1, and let's rename this to Mega Products just so that we can see the name here. And in the sub menu type, instead of link, we will choose mega menu. And let's come back in our reusable blocks again and let's add a new one. And let's call it vertical Woo products. We will start by adding a row column. Let's use a single column layout. And in this, we will choose TP product listing block. Let's select this. And this is going to load our WooCommerce products. And let's go on this right hand side setting. Under column manager, we will choose 3 column layout and we will leave rest of the things as it is. And let's select this entire row again and we go to style and give this a background color. So maybe we can choose this one and then publish this reusable block. And if we come back here in our header editor, let's reload this page so that we can see our reusable block here. So let's refresh this. And now For the block template, we are going to use vertical Woo products. And for the mega menu type, we are going to use container. And then update this custom header and refresh the front end. And if we open this menu again and go to our products, this is how our WooCommerce products will look like. So if you have a WooCommerce website, then you can easily showcase your sales or featured product right in your mega menu. After this, let's come back in our main menu, and this time we are going to add a mega menu for this contact us link. So here we will duplicate the contact us link and then name it to mega contact us and change the level to 1, and sub menu type we will again select mega menu, and for the block template we will choose mega contact. So we have already created this reusable block in our backend, and mega menu type we will choose container. And if we update this custom header, and let's see how it looks now. So if you open the menu again, go to contact us. So now we have an entire contact us block with a contact form right in our mega menu. So this is how you can use almost any Gutenberg block and add that in your mega menu. And after this, let's use this portfolio link and create a mega menu under this. And in this mega menu, we are going to add image as well as video gallery. So if we go on portfolio, let's duplicate this and we select the second one and then change the menu level to 1 and then sub menu type to mega menu. For the block template, we are going to use mega gallery, and for the mega menu type we are going to use container. And if we go back in our reusable blocks and open this mega gallery, so right now we don't have anything in this gallery reusable block. So let's start by adding a row and divide that into 2 columns. And on the left hand side we will add our gallery. So we will use the TP media listing block, and here we have option for images and we will choose grid style, and for the content we are going to upload our images. So maybe we can select any of these images from our gallery and then click on select. So now we have these images here. And on the right hand side we will add a video block. So this is the TP video block. We are going to use this, and here we need to enter our YouTube ID. If you want, you can also use Vimeo or self-hosted video. So let's come back to our main TP row and go to style and then select a background color. So in this reusable block we now have images as well as video. So let's go ahead and update this. And we have already selected this reusable block for this mega menu. So let's go ahead and update this custom header and refresh that in our front end. So if we open the menu again and go to portfolio, so here we see we have images as well as video playing right inside our mega menu. So now after creating all these mega menu blocks, we can go to our style tab. And now we can customize each of the elements of our vertical mega menu. So first option is toggle sidebar. Here we have the title typography. We can go ahead and change the font family, weight and font size. So you can play around with that from here. And we can also play around with the size of prefix and postfix icon size. So you can increase or decrease the icon size from here, and same goes for the postfix icon. We also have an option to add padding, but we will leave it as it is. And now we have the title color, so maybe we can change that as well to black, or I think the white looks much better. And same, we can change the color for prefix icon and the postfix icon as well. If you want to add a border, you can do that from here. And if you want to add a border radius, then you can do that from here. So let's say we add a 15 pixel from top, 15 pixel from right, and 0 pixel from bottom and left, so that we have this rounded corner navigation block. After that, we have the title background, so you can go ahead and change the background as per your website theme. And after that, we have the navigation option, so you can play around with the width of the navigation from here. And after that, you can also add some padding, or maybe you can add some border, or you can give a background color to this. So you can play around with the border background color from here. And after that, we have option for main menu. We can again play around with the typography. So you can see the font size of all the first level menu item can be set from here. And after that, we can play around with the margin and padding as well. And then we have the main menu indicator style. So for all the menu items which have a sub menu or a sub mega menu, it will denote it by this arrow sign here. So it will be clear for the visitors that this menu item got a sub menu or a mega menu. So you can choose this style from here, and then you can also play around with the color from here. So you can choose any color as per your theme, and same for the indicator color. And after that, you can add some border radius, and background color to all your menu items. So you can play around with this as per your website theme. And below that, we have the main menu icon. So here we can change the icon size and the icon width. And we can also style the normal, hover and active state of these icons. So you can update the icon color, background and border radius, and all the common styling stuff is available for these elements. And below that, we have the main menu label. So if in case you want to add label to any of these menu links, so you can do the styling from here. So let's go back in our layout, and for our products menu link, let's go ahead and add a label. So for our products, here is the label option. Let's turn it on. Let's type in hot. And if we go to styling and choose the main menu label again, here we can set the typography, and most importantly, we can play around with the horizontal and vertical offset. So maybe we can put this here, and vertical position looks perfectly fine. After that, we can give it a background color. So you can change the background color from here. And then we have an option for sub menu. So here you can play around with the settings of your mega menu from here. You can add some padding, you can add some menu alignment. So you can leave all this as it is, because you will be doing the styling in your reusable block. So you don't have to do styling again here. So we can leave it as it is. And after that, we have styling for mobile menu. So again, we will leave this option for a separate video. So this is how we can create some advanced looking vertical mega menus for our WordPress website with the help of Plus Blocks for Gutenberg. Now with all these customizations and options available with these navigation menus, I hope you will be able to create any kind of mega menu for your business website. But just in case, if you think that there is something missing and could be added in these blocks or any other Gutenberg block in the Plus Blocks family, then you can always visit our roadmap page here. You can go ahead and create an account and then use our feature request option. And here we have a form. You can fill it up, and with this form you can go ahead and fill up your requirements and tell us what you wish to have in these Gutenberg blocks. And this request directly goes to our developer team, and we will try our best to get your feature request live as soon as possible. So if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to learn more about such amazing features of Plus add-ons for Gutenberg, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.